Let's talk about what we're doing in Core Project 2 at the beginning. We're building an electronic drum kit. What is a drum kit? Here is a drum kit. This is an old school drum kit that you use in a band. You know what this is. And here we're going to start by building a kick. The heartbeat of your project. Next is the snare. Then the hi-hat comes in. Kick, snare, hi-hat. That's a crash. We'll be using that later in the project. So there's the elements of your kit. Now the electronic music composer is trying to replicate those sounds using a drum machine like Ultrabeat. Let's take a look at a drum kit that's electronic and listen for the similarity. Our snare. Hi-hats, and that crash. Let's go back to our rock drummer. Listen one more time, just so you're sure. Kick, snare, hi-hat, crash. Okay. Have fun with this project, and hopefully that gives you a little more information on creating this cool beat for Core Project 2.